Dear student, good morning all. I am teaching you in the DSS online classes English grammar. Chapter first of your textbook, the sentence. Sentence, if we want to express our views or our ideas, then we need to speak. And if we speak, then we need group of words. But these group of words must be in a proper order or in a special order. So we need to study about the sentence so that we can arrange these words in a proper manner, and it helps us to express our ideas, our views in a simple way, so that one another can understood easily. So I am taking a very special topic, the sentence, which I will teach you today in this video. So you need to try to understand this topic carefully so that you can also study easily about your kinds of sentences. First of all, we will try to know about the definition of the sentence. Just before, I have declared you all, a sentence is a group of words, and these group of words are arranged properly and also gives a complete sense, or a group of words that makes a complete sense is known as sentence. And second, the phrase. Phrase is also group of words. But the difference of sentence and the phrase, if all the group of words makes a complete sense, then that group of sentence is known as sentence. Why? When a group of words give sense but does not give complete sense, in this condition, this is called phrase. Phrase is also group of words, makes sense but not complete sense. Example: in the morning, beautiful girl on the road. And now I will go to the parts of the sentence or kinds of the sentence. There are different kinds of sentences, but according to your book, I will study only 4 kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. Dear student, now I am telling you about remaining part of the previous video. First of all, I will introduce you about the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First, assertive or declarative. First, assertive or declarative. And second, imperative sentence. And third, interrogative sentence. Fourth, exclamatory sentence. In this chapter, we will study about four kinds of sentences. About four kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. Now, we will define with example and you will have to try to understand properly. Assertive sentence or declarative sentence in which we say means in this sentence that say or state something. Any sentence in which we express our simple ideas known as assertive or declarative sentence. There is no emotion, there is no feelings, there is no asking questions, etc. Example, he was born in Devaya. Simply, properly, ordinary or in a simple way. We can say that he was born in Devaya. He was born in Devaya. Second, imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, you will have already studied. These sentences express a command or request or an advice. Means if we want to express about any command or any request or any advice, then we study imperative sentence. Example, you may enter. And third, interrogative sentence, you know all. Already, before. In interrogative sentence, we ask a lot of questions. Means a sentence in which we ask questions known as interrogative sentence. Just like, what is your name? Just like, what is your name? Where do you live? What do you want? Etc. In exclamatory sentence, in this sentence we express some strong feelings. We express our some strong feelings or emotions. If we express some strong feelings or emotion, then we go to the sentence exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, we express our strong feelings and emotions. Examples: what a fabulous idea! What a fabulous idea! And in this chapter, we will also study about parts of sentence. A sentence has mainly two parts. First part is called subject, and the other part of sentence is called predicate. Thanks.